Whoa. Hey, what's up, guys? This is Team Hard Life Captain Alberto Zertuche, and I'm here. We got some fishing tackle in, and we're gonna go ahead and see what we got here. Feels good there. We got more tackle starting to roll in. We've got
gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I got a line. I'ma call the whole team.
1.9 double mini sleeves, and these are 1,000 per pack. Got 2.2 thousand per pack. We do have the 3s and 4s poured, but they need to be clean and take the surf weights.
Yeah, he needs to pour 5, but we don't have the, we got to count those frames.
All right, did he finish off that block?
Yeah.
Okay. $20,000 of the 0.8. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. The 1.0s, 3 of the 1.3s, 3 of the 1.6, 2 of the 1.9, and 2 of the 2.2. It's a box alone, it's heavy. There's 20,000. The 1.0s. Show you all this. This is a ton of sleeves. It's been a minute since we've ordered a lot of sleeves. But those are the 0.8s. 1,000 per bag. So we got 20,000 of the sleeves. And then we got the 1.0s. We got 20 of those as well. So 20,000 of those sleeves. So that's 40,000 sleeves right there. We got 6 and 6, so the 1.3 and, or not 6 and 6, 3 and 3, so that's another 6,000 sleeves right there. And then another 2,000 of each. So that's 46, 47, 48, 49, 50,000 sleeves on this bench right here. Crazy amount of sleeves. Let's do this. There we go. You can get a nice little snippet picture of it. Boom. Very nice.